Alright, too late for a coffee, so I'm preheating this. Which might not make sense because I'm going to add cold milk to it. This is good quality dark chocolate bits, kind of broken up, roughly. Maybe like 3-4 squares. And we're going to make a hot chocolate latte. Well, hot chocolate. With some organic cocoa as well. Usually I put 2 spoons full, but since I don't want to overdose on caffeine, I'm going to make it a little less chocolatey. I'll see how it tastes. Oh yeah, I'm also going to use my homemade vanilla infused brown sugar, which has been sitting around for a while, but I think it's still good. Maybe I should sample it first, but yeah, should be good. And organic milk, which probably doesn't make a difference. First, what I'm going to do is fill up the milk. So usually for a cappuccino, which is a lot smaller cup, I'd use about 100 milliliters. I'm going to go, can't see what I'm doing, let's double that. So about 200 milliliters. We'll see how much, yeah, I think any more than that and the foam's just gonna come up too high when I steam this. So yeah, I'll probably need 2 hands for this. I could do this, I don't know if it's gonna work that well. Yeah, that could work. So this will keep it at a nice steady distance or depth. Oh, I didn't purge the steam wand. Okay, that makes it more, yeah, I should have thought about that first, because there's going to be liquid that accumulates. Condensation. Gotta purge. It wasn't that much. Alright. And infuse the air, so we're going to get it away. This wand is going to get super hot. It is not very well insulated. It's supposed to be. Oh yeah, it's getting toasty. It's pretty toasty. Alright, oof. Not seeing any chocolate in here. There was chocolate on the bottom. I'll give it a stir after. Let's make sure we purge this guy and wipe him. Last video, I forgot to. I was too busy filming and I forgot to purge, which is important. Sometimes milk will get up there. I don't think it ever does really, but it's hard to tell in that video. But it looks like, yeah, no, it might have actually looked like there was milk in there. I'll have to review this video and see if it's what I actually saw. So, we have a spoon. Oh, I want to use this for cocoa though. Before I stir the chocolate, the other chocolate. It's hard to do with one hand. So normally I would do, ooh, it's a big one. Normally I'd do about 2 of these. Let's do 1 and see how it turns out, because we do have chocolate at the bottom of this guy, which is starting to separate. It smells good though. I smell it already. Maybe it's vanilla sugar I'm smelling. No, it's got chocolate milk. Yes, it's not that chocolatey looking. Yeah, it looks like that was a good amount. Not too full. Don't want that huge of a hot chocolate. Probably should have added the powder after I put in the milk, because now it is clumping. So I'll break up those clumps, and I'm going to add gas is rock hard. Not rock hard, but I'll need 2 hands, so give me a sec to get this sugar out. So I'm gonna do maybe 2, maybe 3, actually probably 4 spoons, but we'll try it with 3. Little baby spoon. Alright, so I just put in a good 2, 3 little spoonfuls of sugar, and we're going to add vanilla sugar. I'm gonna add 1 shake. Oh, that was like, okay, that's probably a couple shakes. A couple little shakes of sea salt. And we'll see how that tastes. Make sure it's nicely blended now. Okay. I'll try that again. That was pretty chocolatey, actually. There's a good amount of cocoa powder. Could use more salt and 1 more thing of sugar. And I gotta remember, I did get some vanilla bean in there. It's like nothing. I think I have to use 2 hands for this. I was saying I gotta be careful because I got some vanilla bean bits in the drink, so I'll try not to drink those. Yeah, it's better now. Added 1 more spoon of sugar, so it's 4-ish, and a little more sea salt, and it is really good. The 2 types of cocoa go nicely together, and yeah, it's really rich.